Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to create an AI comic image using the Lens AI application. Well guys, for this tutorial, I will be needing you to grab your phones because this application is only on phones. So you can't actually use it on your PC. If you have any kind of phone, you can just get ahead and start this tutorial with me. So now what you are going to do is go ahead and go to your App Store or Google Store, whatever you have. For me, I have iOS, so I'm going to my App Store. From here guys, what you have to do is basically go to search and search for this application which is called Lensa AI. So from here guys, this page will be open for you. There is multiple options of application, but the one that you going to use in this video is the first one, which is Lens AI photo and video, which is has this kind of black background and the circle in the middle. So this is the logo of this application. Make sure that you are not downloading any other application guys. So yeah, after you download it, we click on open, and that's how it would look like. Of course, you can have the premium version of it by paying $40 a year, but yeah, you can try even the 7 days trial. You can use whatever you like to, and of course if you could pay, you have a lot of advantages like 50% off on magic avatars, exclusive avatars packs, and etc. Lots of options. So now what we have to do is basically what we want to do is make our avatar, of course. So how we can make a comic image or an avatar? Well, it's pretty simple. What you'll have to do is go ahead and go to magic avatars, and from here click on try now, and here we go. So now this page will be open. You have to choose either the avatar which will be a humans or about dogs and cats. So now let's make it about humans. And now let's choose what you expect from them to do. So what type of avatar do you like the most? So for me, I'd like this one. Yeah, they have a lot of examples, but I really like this kind of this red girl in here because it reminds me of Apex games. So now I have reached the age of majority and click on continue. Here they give you an example of good photos and bad photos. So good photos examples, they may have to be close-up, selfies, same person, adults, variety of backgrounds, facial expression, head tilts, and angles. So you have to send around 20 pictures for them to make you one avatar or comic picture. Of course, they don't have to be like that, with multiple people in the picture, the same position as you can see. With the dogs, for example, or animals, it has to be only you and some simple background and variety of angles. So now let's click on select 20 selfies. Here we can select all the selfies you want. So let me just select a bunch of selfies and then I will be back to you guys. So now I've added some of random pictures, not enough photos, 9 out of 10. You could have selected are not qualified. The requirements, please select at least 9 more photos. Okay, so as you can see now, what I've done is I selected some 9 random pictures and they told me it is not possible. So now we will have to select 9 correctly pictures so we will be able to pass this phase. So I will select them good now and I will be back right after that. So guys, back to you guys. So now after you put your images, they will ask you if you are female or male or other. For me, I'm going to choose male, and here you choose the style that you want. So let's pick something let's see all the styles. This selects all, and let's see all of the styles again. Okay, let's try this, that, and one of these. So let's try this one. Now continue with 3 styles, and yeah, here guys, you will have to pay in order to get all your avatars. So here I'm going to stop because I don't have a premium account. So what you have to do now is just pay, click on purchase, and then you will receive all of your images with all the editing and stuff that you asked for. So hey guys, thank you for watching and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.